Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can mark an image or an object on your Photoshop. So as you can see, we have two words and I am using this to mark the words. Alright, this is a different one and this is a different one. So let me show you guys how did I do it, and it's pretty easy, so I'm pretty sure everyone can do it. Okay, so first let me delete this and this as well, and let me show you how did I do it. Okay, first let me close Photoshop. Let's open Google Chrome. All right, so when you open Google Chrome, you need to search this circle brush stroke png. All right, you can use png or you can just type circle brush stroke and this will be the result. All right, so I was using this one, and this one. All right, so as you can see, this is circle, but I'm going to transform it to the one I have shown you before. So you have to download it first. Right click and save image, and it will be downloaded on your computer. And also download this. I have downloaded this as well. So make sure these are not licensed. As you can see, you have to buy the license. Make sure you use the free version. So first you need to download these images. You can download anything you want according to your needs, and then we have to import this on your Photoshop. All right, for that go to files and open, and from here I will select both. All right, as you can see, this is not this is complete circle. I'm going to transform it to the one I have shown you before. So just drag it to your main. All right, now we have to decrease the size of the circle. For that we have to press Ctrl plus T, and then we can decrease the size. All right, now at this point you can see it's a circle. We don't need circle. We have to stretch this a bit. Okay, now from after selecting this image, just press shift and then drag this corner, and then you can adjust this. All right, like this. So yeah, this is the first one, and for the second one, let me show you. As you can see, this is not a png. I'm going to transform it. Okay, use this magic tool. You will find this here. This is magic wand tool. Press this and then select this. All right, then we can move it. All right, so move this to the main. Okay, now we can, you see, that's how we make this. Now let's adjust this. So yeah, this is how we mark an image on an object on Photoshop. Hope this video helpful. If it did help, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.